What's going on, everybody? BFT here. This is a 2015 Transit. The brakes are metal to metal. They're really bad on the other side. I'm going to show you how to take this off. 15mm socket. Pull the axle out, and the caliper bolts are a 13, which I just had. Ouch. Sometimes you gotta get a pair of pliers in here too. And this one has 117,000 miles on it. Oh. Good stuff, good stuff. That's bad. Top. Bottom. It's a 15 mil for the caliper bracket bolts too. So I'll show you where those are at. Caliper bracket bolt, that's a 15. Look at that rotor down there. Good stuff, good stuff. Let me get this caliper bracket off. It's in a tight spot, kind of tight. The bracket is tight. And then I'll show you how to get this rotor off. Look, check it out. Brake pads was so far gone. It took the hardware with the inner pad. Good stuff. Show you how to take this rotor off. See it separated? You got to pop this axle out, and then you'll be able to turn this. Let me grab a hammer. And you will lose some fluid. Nice. And that is how you remove the rotor on a Transit. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.